Hi everybody, this is Samsul from BangladeshProgrammer.com, and today we will see how we can solve the problem that we might often see that PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command. Like we'll see that when we are in, let's say, open a command prompt and want to see like use the command php. Suppose you want to see the version of PHP that we are using. So in that case we use php-b. And you see it is showing that PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So how can we solve this problem? This is a very easy solution, but a lot of people might be confused to do this, and it's very useful to use this command prompt in PHP. I will show you later what you can do. But now we will first solve this problem. To solve this problem, we have to go to Start menu, then find Computer, right click on it, and then go to Properties. And on the Properties window, you will see there is Advanced System Settings. Just click on it, and on this window, you have to click Environment Variables. And you see there is user variable for Samsul and system variable. So we are interested in system variable. And we will search for path. This is path. So if you double click it or edit it, then you will see there is the name of the variable path and variable value. And every variable value is start end with a semicolon like this. So here we have to put our PHP location path where you have installed your PHP. So let's search. I am using exam and it's installed on my C drive, exam, and normally it is a PHP folder. So I open my PHP 10, and if you click on the address bar, then you will get the path. All we need is the path of the PHP installation. So we'll copy it, then we're gonna go here, and you see after finish, then there is a start of semicolon. So don't forget to delete this semicolon, or if you do not find any semicolon, then just add a semicolon here. Then we are going to paste it, the PHP variable here. So if you click OK and then OK, then it should work. But normally we add this path at the last of the variable value, but it is not mandatory. You can also cut it and paste it in front. But the logic is the variable values should be separated by semicolon like this. So don't forget this. So it is not mandatory that you have to put it on the last or at the first. It's all same. All that you have to worry about that every variable value is separated by the semicolon. So I am going to put it on the first. Let's see what happens. Click OK, and then OK again, and then OK again. And we do not need this PHP folder anymore, so just cancel everything. So we can also cancel the command prompt and open it again. So now we want to see if it is work or not. So let's type php-p. You see, it's worked, and it is showing that it is I'm using PHP 5.4.7 and the Gen version. This is it. Now I am going to show you why it is useful to use a command prompt. Like I'm going into my Jam folder, htdocs, and maybe I'm going to create a PHP file here, like a simple PHP file. I am not going to do a lot of things, like just a maybe sample PHP. Yep. And just maybe a variable a equal to 2 and the variable b equal to 3 and the result equal to a plus b. Suppose we have developed a Python program, this one, and we are going to equal that. So that's all. Save it, and we are going to run it from the command prompt. So to do this, we have to write PHP command and then the location path where you have the PHP file that you have written. In my case, I write it on Jam, then htdoc, and into this htdoc I named it sample.php. So if you click enter, then you see the result file here. So from this way you can see, you can use the command prompt. It will helpful. It is helpful actually. So now we solve this problem. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have time to visit, then visit bangladeshprogrammer.com. The link is in the below, in the description of my video. Please go and visit. Have fun. Bye bye.